The Smart-S8 has a loading banding plate, swivelling and of large diameter. The first unit is the pre-milling unit, with two large independent motors with right and left rotation. The PLC controls the in-out of the two motors. The unit is complete with diamond tooling. This unit cleans and straightens the panels cut, avoiding problems as the scoring unit marks, not 90-degree cuts. The banding finished work is perfect. After the pre-milling unit is installed a brush and shaving hood in order to clean the panel's surface from any dust. An infrared lamp can heat the panel in order to give more glue inside the panel section. The Teflon line glue pot has a 3 kilogram capacity, and through a gauge there is the possibility to check the quantity of glue spreaded on the panel. On the automatic strips loader, which is an optional, it's possible to change the in-feed feeding power. The roller pressure group has 3 tempered rollers pressure. The first roller pressure is of larger diameter and it's self-motorized with a clutch. The other 2 idle rollers have a conical opposed section. Each rollers have an independent pneumatic pressure gauge that can be regulated through a psycho position indicator. The knife group cut the coils from 0.4 to 3 mm thick of PVC, ABS or paper, melamine and wood. The knife automatically pivots following the through feeding of the panel to be worked without interferences. The trimming unit station has 2 motors of 0.37 kilowatts each, tilting from 0 to 15 degrees. The unit slides on linear guides. All the machine pneumatic system is assembled on the front panel, easy to be operated. The top and bottom bevel trimming units has 2 opposite motors with multifunction tooling, a straight and radius knife, to work on PVC, ABS, melamine and solid wood. The traverse slides on linear guides and the copying units have large diameters, round plates. The unit is complete with banding thickness gauge block for quick setup. The bevel trimming unit can have 2 positions. For the multifunction cutter and the pneumatic piston can choose the right banding thickness of 3 or 8 millimeters. The Smart-S8 has new technology for the synchro corner rounding unit. This synchro unit is patented because of the use of 2 electronic motors, and through a CNC control it's been possible to interpolate the axis and to perform the post-forming job of any panel with 1 tool only. That means easier and friendly use of the unit. The banding thickness gauge block gives the last touch. The PLC can control the in-out of the unit with a pneumatic piston on-off. The electric connector allows the unlock of the motor and it allows an easy change of the cutter block knife. The scraping unit for PVC ABS has top-bottom scraping with independent traverse on linear guides. Each scraper has 2 knives, radius and linear, and an independent air blower with its own shaving hood. manual on-off with a level or a pneumatic piston operated from the PLC can move in-out the unit. The hot air blower unit is composed by two hot air blowers of 1000 watts each, top and bottom. The power and heating up to 600 degrees centigrade can be independently adjusted. The brushing unit motor has two independent motor of 0.18 kilowatts each, top and bottom. They can be tilted at 0 to 15 degrees and they have cotton brushes. They are generally used to clean the panel edge. The height panel's adjustment is performed with a handle positioned on the machine left side. A Psycho numeric indicator gives the correct panel height. The Smart edge banding machine is equipped with a PLC color touch screen, where it's possible to execute all the required setup for the machine functioning. With the selector use, it's possible to execute the habilitation or disabilitation of the glue warming up, the reset button and the emergency button. The touchscreen panel allows the operator to select the working program, for example, solid wood, strips, formica or veneer, edges of 1 mm thickness, or PVC ABS of 2 to 3 mm. We can set or change the glue temperature to manage the second optional temperature for the glue preservation, avoiding that for lack of use it can burn out. At the screen touch, in correspondence of the selected icon, the groups are recalled in automatic directly from the command panel. With the information icon, it's possible to obtain production data, number of panels, edge banding linear meters used, machine working hours, and the total distance covered by the feeding track belt.
Stop.